Hello everyone, thank you for choosing our video to fix your problem on your POE app. I will show you how to fix it easy and quick. Let's start. First, you don't need to open your POE app. Go open the settings of your device. Click right now at apps option. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your device. Search for POE and click. Go click at storage option. You will find two options. Click clear cache only. Back then click at force stop and click OK. Click now at battery. Click optimize it. Now you should come to Play Store or App Store, update POE app. After updating the app, restart your device and your problem after that will be fixed. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribing in this channel, and bye.